Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. If you're already a subscriber, consider subscribing to this channel because better videos like this one are coming. If you have any concern about this video, kindly drop your comments under the comment section. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back. Okay, so in today's video is a full tutorial about how to create a website with a free domain and a free hosting. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So after launching our browser, just search for Blogger or blogger.com. Okay, so basically yours wouldn't show like this because I already have a Blogger account. That is why it shows like this. So let me change my Gmail. Okay, so this is how the interface will look like. So choose a name for your blog or a name for your website. Let me choose full tutorial. After that, click on next. Okay, so for the blogger address, sometimes when you choose your website's name, it won't work because there are so many websites out there. Maybe the name you chose is already existing. So let's choose the free tutorial. Have you see it's not working because someone has the free tutorial. So let me change it and do it DiveX. DiveX. Have you see this one is also not working? So we have to keep on changing it. Have you see DiveX GH is working? No one has the DiveX GH, so I can use this one. So let me retype it again. Okay, so after that, just click on next. So for your display name, a name to be on top of your website, you can choose. I'll choose the DiveX again. DiveX GH or DiveX. Okay, so just click on finish. So this is how your interface will look like. Our website is fully created. Have you seen? So but we are not yet done. So keep watching and know how to do it. Okay, so click on view blog. Okay, so have you seen this is how our website is looking like? This is how your website is looking like, and you can see the DiveX we chose and the full tutorial. So let's go back and edit our website. So maybe if you want to post something, just click on post and click on new post. So let's choose a title for our post. So let's choose explanation for web hosting. But you can choose a full title for your post. Okay, so after that, click on the white box and click and type your your title for your post. And you can start writing about your post. Okay, so let's change it to heading and write a title for our post. Let's say what is domain name. Yeah, what is domain name? So let me paste the domain name explanation here. Okay, so after that, just click on where the arrow is pointing. For you to post it on your website, just click on confirm. Okay, so click on the view blog. Have you see? This is how our website is like. This is our new post we just post. Okay, so want to add images and other stuff to your post, just click on the post and click on the post you want to edit. So just scroll till you find this image where the arrow is pointing and click on it and click on upload. Click on choose file and choose your image you want to upload. Okay, so for instance, let's say I want to use this image, so just click on that image and click on select. So have you see, you can change into small or medium or the original size. Okay, so click on where the arrow is pointing and let's view our blog and see how it looks like. Have you see, you can add so many posts, you can post many, they have no limit of posting. Have you see? So let's return back. Okay, so we are on pages, how to create a page. Okay, so just click on the three dots up there and click on page. Okay, so click on the plus button down there. Okay, so choose a title for your page. So let's say new page, and this one, let's say what is a web hosting. Okay, let's change it to heading. Okay, so what is web hosting? So with our question mark now paste the meaning of the web hosting right here. Okay, so I want to add an image, just scroll right here and click on upload and click on choose file. So I'll be using this picture for this page and just click on select. Have you see how it looks like? You can change it to small, original, large and other stuff. Okay, so let me change it to small. Okay, so after changing it, just click on where the arrow is pointing for it to post it on your page. Okay, so let's view our blog. Click on your page and click on the I button to preview the page. Okay, so here is our page we just created, and you can view it and see how it will look like on the desktop, tablet and mobile phones. Okay, so in my next video I'll be teaching you guys how to add the page to your website and add different colors of your choice. Thank you for watching my video. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. Thank you.